kids here is a bit poor, poor in language actually. Yeah, and then because they come from Chinese background, Chinese speaking background, which is like there's also the disadvantage for them. Yeah.
And what do you do as a volunteer? Your activities with them?
We try our best, like the 1.5 hours every week Saturday. But actually nowadays we take turns, Yeah, we had the schedule, so that we try to read as much as possible to them, and then try to encourage them to talk. Right? Yeah, I think this is, but we also can do something like very limitation.
Okay. And what are the problems that you face with the kids here?
The problems are sometimes we have difficulty catching their attention because like maybe they're understanding wise. Yeah, they can't understand so well.
Okay. And what would you like to see happen with the kids? I mean, like what sort of things do you like the kids to have? I mean, a wish list.
Yeah, when they're able to speak up, But today I find that they're quite good. Yeah, I'm really surprised that wow, that is very good. If let's say they have this sort of like, I find that today they are very lucky for these 2 weeks that they have this program.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, and then I can actually see the improvement from the children. Like just now I mentioned some like Chloe used to be quite quiet, but now actually he joined the performance like quite happily, enjoy. So I think this is very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And okay, right. What about others kids? I mean, you point out Chloe, right? One kid. Other kids, I mean, what problems you have?
For Jin Kyang is quite weak as well. But then today in the morning when I come, I say, "Hey Jin Kyang, what are you doing?" He can tell me something about monkey. So I think that maybe that is related to the game that he played here during the 2 weeks. Yeah. So I heard that he kept saying that monkey, something like that. I'm not very sure lah.
Okay, alright. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Why did I come here to volunteer myself will be like, my brother came here for phonics classes, so my mother told me to come down, and Auntie Joyce asked me if I would like to volunteer myself, so I did. And working with the younger kids, it gave me the experience of being patient. We need to be patient with them because they are younger, so some of the thing they don't understand, we have to explain to them slowly, and most of all, we have to like take care of them, really be careful, and always reminding ourselves that they are still young and we need to be really very patient with them.
Wonderful. Okay. So one thing, how long have you been volunteering, Charlene?
I came to Henderson Center since last year, around June, and so I've been here quite a long time, and volunteering started since last year December when I get used to everything and know quite a lot of them here, so we make friends, and yeah, indeed I have a lot of friends here. Then we enjoy ourselves every time there's events and activities.
Okay, so there was this program that came from there, and you have the teacher is Ms. Padma. Observing these few days, how do you think the kids progress? How do you think the kids learn?
Yeah,
give me some examples.
Because they are kids from lower income families, so they tend to speak Singlish. So they will speak the words with la, li, lo, all this Singlish. So Mrs. Padma will be saying there's no law, then we have to teach them proper English, and we often play games, and of course we enjoy ourselves, and then like during games we have to teach them the rules slowly, and then we play. Some kids tend to be naughtier, playful, and we have to like be stricter to them, to tell them not to do this, not to do that, as we scared incident happens. Yeah.
Okay, alright, and how do you think the kids perform today?
Great, of course, they've been practicing so long. Yeah, and I think they try very hard to memorize the sentence, because some of them they keep forgetting, and Mrs. Padma have a lot of patience. She kept teaching over and over again. I think if it was me, I'd sure be very angry already.
Okay, alright.
I think they learn like English in a more detailed way. Yeah, and then they can express better when they know like what words to use, how to use the words, and sort expand their vocabulary lah.
Right, great, great.
I've been here